In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your shared mailbox to HubSpot inbox. By the end, your shared email, think support or info, will be connected to the conversation's inbox so your team can collaborate, reply faster, and keep everything tracked in one place. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. From the main navigation, open CRM and select Inbox. This takes you to the conversation's inbox, where your team handles emails. In the upper area of the inbox, open the inbox settings. We'll do the connection from here so the mailbox is added as a channel your whole team can use. In Settings, look for the option to connect a new channel and click Connect a Channel. When the setup wizard opens, choose Team Email. This is important because a team email is designed for shared addresses that multiple teammates manage together, and it enables shared routing, collision detection, and reporting inside HubSpot. Next, select Microsoft Outlook as the provider for this example. This tells HubSpot which service to authorize and sync with. Click Continue to move into the sign-in flow. Now sign into your Microsoft account that owns the shared mailbox or has the proper Send As, Send On Behalf permissions. If your organization uses Microsoft 365 shared mailboxes, make sure the account you use here has permission to access and send from the shared address. When prompted, review and accept the permissions HubSpot requests, things like reading and sending mail, so HubSpot can pull conversations into the inbox and allow your team to reply directly from HubSpot. If your company requires multi-factor authentication, complete that challenge as part of the sign-in. If you're asked to choose which mailbox to connect, be sure to select the shared address rather than a personal inbox. After Microsoft confirms access, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot to finalize the setup. Click Connect and finish. HubSpot will verify the mailbox, create the channel, and begin syncing new messages into the inbox. Depending on your tenant settings, the initial handshake can take a moment. Just let it complete. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Confirm that the From address shows the shared mailbox, so replies come from the right email, and double-check that you and your teammates have the correct permissions in Microsoft if you encounter any access errors. You can fine-tune things like routing rules, availability, and signatures in the same inbox settings once the connection is live. That's it. You've connected your shared mailbox to HubSpot inbox. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.